Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to reset Redmi Buds 6 TWS earbuds. If you have any connection related issues, and also one important thing is that if you are bought newly this Redmi Buds 6 means, then firstly do the reset process, because so after resetting I feel like there is some slight improvement on the sounding. So surely there is slight improvement on the sounding, and especially if you got the firmware update and if you updated the firmware, after updating the firmware, better reset the Redmi Buds 6, then it actually gives better sounding. I can able to feel that. Well, now in this video let me share you how to reset. So firstly, if you already connected this Redmi Buds 6 in your smartphone means, go to your Bluetooth settings and click on that and click on the unpair. And also this Redmi Buds 6 supported with the Google Fastpair, so it's better to unpair it from the Google Fastpair setting as well. For that, just to go to your Android settings, click on Google, and here click on all services, and here click on devices and click on saved devices. And in this page, if you have a Redmi Buds 6, just to click on that particular device. I already removed that, so just to click on that and click on this forgot option. And now after that, disable the Bluetooth in your smartphone. Now take the Redmi Buds 6, one time close the charging case door and make sure both the case and the earbuds have enough battery. Now open the case door and place both the buds in the case itself, and keep the case door in open condition. And in the side you can see a setup key like this. You have to just press and hold this key for 10 seconds continuously, and also keep watching on this LED indicator. You can see a success indication. So I am going to do now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So as you've seen here, the white light actually flashed fastly for 2 to 3 times, I think. So if you get like this indication, then that's a success indication for the reset completion. And now after that, one time close the case door, and after few seconds again open it. Now enable the Bluetooth in your smartphone. So now you can able to see the Redmi Buds 6 Google Fastpair dialog box. Click on the connect. So now the device has been connected, so you can just click on the done. And if you not installed the Xiaomi earbuds application, click on the setup. Then it actually go to the Google Play Store and you need to install the Xiaomi earbuds application. I already installed, so I can directly enter into the Xiaomi earbuds application. So we already posted a video on how to connect and what are the new features on the Redmi Buds 6. So I given the link in the icon. You can check out that video if you want more details about the Redmi Buds 6. Now the device has been connected and you can able to see both the earbuds and the case battery percentage. And also if you have any connection related issue, now this time the problem will be sorted out. Now just to hear the audio in both the buds, you can surely able to hear audio in both the earbuds. And still if you are facing any issue like I can only able to hear audio in one left or right earbuds, and I face a issue like there is a volume imbalance between left and right earbud means, and if you are connecting in an Android phone, then go to the settings option, and in the settings search for accessibility, ACCESS. So you can see this option accessibility. Click on this accessibility. Now here you can see the hearing tab. Click on this. Now here you can see the channel volume balancing. Now here this pointer should be at the center. If it is towards left or towards right, then the volume is actually shift towards the right side or towards the left side like that. So confirm whether this pointer is exactly at the center point. So if there is any changes, then the volume is then you might feel there is a volume imbalance between L and R, or if it is towards the maximum to the right or towards the maximum to the left, so you can only able to hear the audio in the left or right earbuds only. So after reset, if you still not able to hear the audio in both the buds at the same time means, then just cross check this option also. Well, that's it on this Redmi Buds 6 reset process. So after resetting the earbuds, if you face any connection related issues, that will be sorted out. And also after resetting, I feel like there is slight improvement on the audio quality. So if you are bought newly the Redmi Buds 6 and if you are upgraded the firmware, after the firmware upgrade also try to reset the earbuds, then it actually improve the audio quality. Slightly feel there is an improvement on the audio quality after resetting this Redmi Buds 6. So if you are also using means, just try this and let me know whether you are seeing any improvement on the audio quality in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.